The housing market is very competitive right now, and you need to make sure that any offer you put on a home is your strongest offer. That means you have to be pre-approved way before you even start looking at homes. There are two types of initial qualifications for a mortgage, a pre-qualification and a pre-approval. A pre-qualification means you have completed a loan application, and based on your credit, income, and assets, you would qualify for a purchase. But a pre-approval means a lender has validated all of the information you gave them through pay stubs, taxes, bank statements, etc. A pre-approval is much stronger than a pre-qualification, both in how you feel as a borrower submitting an offer, but also from the perspective of the listing agent and the seller of the property. It's important to note that we do not charge any fees, nor are you locking in any terms or products during the pre-approval process. The goal is to make sure you are in the absolutely strongest position possible when you make an offer on a home. Buying a home is one of the biggest purchases you will make in your lifetime, and having someone you can rely on to guide you through the mortgage process just makes it so much easier.